Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily add a clock widget to the home screen of your iPhone on iOS 18. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also put your likes under the video and write your comments after watching. And let's you and I, friends, get started. So if you don't like swiping to see what time it is, or if you can't see the time in the top left corner of your iPhone screen, you can customize a clock widget for your convenience, where you choose the widget you like to see the time right from your home screen. So, first of all, tap and hold on the empty field of your iPhone. Then on the top left, click the word Edit. Add widget, and now you can either scroll through and find the clock widget, or type the word clock into the search box. Next, navigate to clock. And here, friends, you will see a very large variation of different clock widgets. This is both a clock with numbers and such a time, and a clock, in which will be, let's say, running second hand. As you can see, there are a lot of such options, so each of you will choose something for yourself. As you can see, there is even such a widget with clocks on several different continents, which is also very convenient for business people. So friends, after you choose the option you want, just click on Add Widget below underneath. Now such a widget will be added. You can move it to your desired location. To save your changes, just click on the empty box. Like this? Friends, I hope you found this video useful, and you saw how you can very easily and quickly add a clock widget to your home screen on your iPhone. I really hope, friends, that this video was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.